We're concerned about hurricane season that's approaching. We're getting to that period where we may end up having situations where you have trees that end up getting blown down from either a tropical storm or a hurricane itself. If you are operating a chainsaw, make sure it's in good working order. A saw that is not in proper working order can actually cause you harm, or the fatigue of it can actually wear you down. Some things to look for obviously is the brake. Make sure that chain brake is working as it's supposed to be. That's the activation for it, and it doesn't allow the chain to spin. Regular style saws, maybe some bigger saws, actually have this little piece of metal here. It's called a chain catch. So if the chain does come off of the bar, it will catch on this and throw it off of the drive sprocket. Lastly, another safety item that's on most chainsaws is the throttle lock, which is this piece right here. Without your hand being on this button on the top, you can see I can activate the throttle. Without it, I can't activate the throttle. So you want to make sure that those pieces are in place before you get started. Some safety items to consider: look at some of your safety equipment that you would be wearing. We typically wear a hard hat. We have chainsaw chaps on that help protect the legs. We generally would wear heavy leather gloves for hand protection, and then some type of eye protection as well that will help protect your eyes. Also a big one would be hearing protection. If you've never had the opportunity to touch a chainsaw before, after or during a hurricane, it's probably not a good opportunity to do that. You should get some skills maybe ahead of that type of situation. They have a good bit of information online that you can read through to give you some beginning steps, and then maybe actually guide you to a local class.